Today we are studying from Gryffindor Common Room, and we are studying the VPN basics. A virtual private network, or a VPN for short, is a technology that allows devices on separate networks to communicate securely by creating a dedicated path between each other over the internet, known as a tunnel. For example, only devices within the same network, such as within a business, can directly communicate. However, a VPN allows two offices to be connected. Let's take the diagram below where there are three networks. We have the gray one, the two blue ones, and the purple one, or magenta. The network 3 is using a VPN. So this is a single network. So we have two networks, and from these two, we created the third one, which is the VPN. And they communicate over the internet. Network number 3, two devices connected via a VPN. The devices connected on network 3 are still a part of network 1 and network 2, but also form together to create a private network, network 3, that only devices that are communicated via this VPN can communicate over. Let's cover some other benefits offered by a VPN in the table below. A VPN allows networks in different geographical locations to be connected. For example, a business with multiple offices will find VPNs beneficial, as it means that resources like servers, infrastructure can be accessed from other offices. Offers privacy. A VPN technology uses encryption to protect data. This means that it can only be understood between the device it was being sent from and is destined for, meaning the data isn't vulnerable to sniffing. This encryption is useful in places which public Wi-Fi where no encryption is provided by the network. You can use a VPN to protect your traffic from being viewed by other people. Anonymity offers anonymity. Journalists and activists depend upon VPNs to safely report on global issues in countries where freedom of speech is controlled. Usually, your traffic can be viewed by your ISP and internet service provider and other intermediaries, and therefore tracked. The level of anonymity of VPN provides is only as much as how other devices on the network respect privacy. For example, a VPN that logs all of your data or history is essentially the same as not using a VPN in this regard. So TryHackMe uses a VPN to connect you to our vulnerable machines without making them directly accessible on the internet. This means that you can securely interact with other machines. Service providers such as internet service providers don't think you are attacking other machines on the internet, which could be against the terms of service. The VPN provides security to TryHackMe, as vulnerable machines are not accessible using the internet. A virtual private networks technology has improved over the years. Let's explore some existing VPN technologies below. PPP. This technology is used by PPTP, explained below, to allow for authentication and provide encryption of data. VPN work by using a private key and a public certificate, similar to SSH. A private key and certificate must match for you to connect. This technology is not capable of leaving a network by itself. Point-to-point tunneling protocol is the technology that allows the data from the point-to-point protocol to travel and leave a network. PPT is very easy to set up and is supported by most devices. It is, however, weakly encrypted in comparison to alternatives. IPsec, Internet Protocol Security, encrypts data using the existing IP protocol framework. IPsec is difficult to set up in comparison to alternatives. However, if successful, it boasts strong encryption and is also supported on many devices. What VPN technology only encrypts and provides the authentication of data? The first one. PPP. What technology uses the IP framework? The last one, IPsec.